Well,
I would much rather
I'm gonna put these in. Yeah, the bloopers. Hey everybody, welcome into another video. In this week's video, we're gonna be painting our kitchen cabinets. So as you can see, the uppers are already off. Alyssa took all those off, which we'll show you right here. So the main reason that we're painting them is because there's a lot of like water damage. On top of this cabinet door, you can see like it's flaking. This is by the sink, so it's the worst. A lot of it is just from water damage. Like a lot of these cabinets, and kids, they scratch stuff up. Like if you look at our Lazy Susans, where the door opens and they drag it back, the kids have kind of like scraped it along there. So you can see like where this, the hardware back here has just scraped this off. So there's a lot of issues like that. The uppers aren't as bad. The main thing we've been like back and forth about is whether or not we want to change the colors. We really like this gray color. This current color is Benjamin Moore. I think it's called Saber Gray if you're looking to do this color. I think we're going to change it up just because we can. And we're thinking about doing white on the uppers. So the color that we're maybe going to try for the lowers is called Indigo Batik. It's from Sherwin-Williams. It's SW7602. So it's a Sherwin-Williams color. We're not using a Sherwin-Williams paint, but that's the color we chose. I mean, we still want to do a sample with it just to see that we like it. But anyway, Alyssa got all the uppers off, and then now we're going to take off all the lowers, and we got to take off all the hinges because I'll end up taping off the inside of the cabinets. We got a little weird thing here with the fridge surround. What we're going to do is just carry white down to the floor, so there's just going to be a little sliver right there where that piece is white, and then that down there and down there will all be blue. But anyways, so we're going to get to taking off all the rest of the stuff. There's still a ton of work with taking stuff apart. Like she's already labeled everything she's taken off, but now we need to, since we chose to do two different colors, we got to make sure that we label all the lowers as lower so that we can separate them at the shop so it doesn't get mixed up. Alright guys, we are ready to spray. We got our last little button-ups done. Just a couple things with the plastic and the paper. This is really like crazy how much work just for spraying a little bit. Some people just brush their on-site cabinets and only spray the parts, but I just like it so much better all sprayed. And it gives me a chance to caulk it all and all that. So the plan is to spray back to back. So what that means is like we spray it and then you kind of let it tack up a little bit. With this being a latex paint, it takes quite a bit longer, so maybe like 20 minutes in between. Just when it starts to tack up, I'll spray it again, and then hopefully the uppers are done. I actually might brush some of this blue. I haven't decided yet, but there's some of it that just is like, might just be easier to brush it. We're gonna get to spraying. Oh, this product is called Novalk. That's the brand. It's from Spain, I think. And this is the Aqua Nova. This is the latex. And this upper color is just non-tinted white. Time to spray. everybody, we finished up the upper cabinet. So you guys saw me putting the first coat on. I did that back to back like I talked about, and then I actually ended up this morning putting another coat on because the white was just having a hard time covering. It made a huge difference that last third coat. So now it really looks like solid white. So the uppers are done. Now we're working on the lowers. There's only a couple spots that I'm gonna spray. This false front, and then these two end panels, and the rest, all that stuff, I'm just gonna brush. Alright guys, the on-site part of the process is done. I painted the lower cabinets 3 times, brushed all the little fronts, obviously sprayed the panels, sprayed the top 3 times, and it's done. You can see some of the blue now. It's kind of funny because obviously without the doors, like you realize how much surface area there is on the door, on all the cabinet parts. And that's where all the color really is. Otherwise you don't really see much of it. You don't really see much of the blue, but anyways, the next thing you're gonna see is me at our paint shop. I got all the parts loaded in my truck, and I'll show you guys that whole process of how we do all that. Alright guys, I'm at our paint shop now, and we are washing the parts. Alright guys, I got everything washed. Now it's the sanding process. Okay, quick update. I finished sanding like maybe 2/3, but I want to get some of this prime today because the primer has to dry overnight. So I'll finish sanding the other batch on Monday because it's Friday right now. I got a couple sprayed already. I just forgot to start recording, so I'm gonna show you guys priming the rest of these. All right, guys, it's an exciting day. The cabinet parts are going back on. So we finished them all up at the shop, got them loaded in the trailer, brought them home, and now we're gonna start putting them on. It's gonna take a little bit because we gotta put the hinges back on, put them back on, then we got obviously all the hardware that needs to go on. So let's get to it. We'll probably work our way around the top. Everything's mostly labeled, but it might not be perfectly labeled because sometimes it gets painted over and whatever, but we'll be able to figure it out. All right, everybody, we are all finished with our cabinets. So we got all the uppers done, all the lowers done. Actually, there's one lower that had some extra repair, so that one's not quite done yet. We got all the hardware put on, and we're super excited about it. We love the colors that we chose. When we first put the blue on, it kind of darkened it up in here, but then by the time we put the white on, it's all nice and bright again. Last time we had everything was just gray, like a lighter gray. So now we got some color in here, which is kind of fun. There's a couple things that we're going to change still. Like a couple lower cabinets that are doors right now, we're changing to drawers. So those drawers are going to go to the shop and get painted first, and then we'll just pop those doors off and put the new drawers in their place. But we didn't want to just leave it with nothing on it for now, so we put the doors back on, but that's going to get replaced pretty soon. Otherwise, everything else is just how it was, just freshened up. It definitely needed to be done. We figured out it was basically exactly 6 years from when we moved in here and first painted the cabinets. It was like basically 6 years to the day that we were working on it, which is kind of funny. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.